Hello everyone, I'm Anuj Nakade and you're watching LiveLaw. In an order passed by the Supreme Court, the court has expressed surprise at an order passed by the Gujarat High Court. This order granted bail to an accused in a murder case on the basis of a settlement between the accused and the son of the deceased victim. The case started in September of 2021 when the accused and the victim got into an argument on the farm of the victim. During the argument, the accused took out a revolver and fired at the victim. The allegations further say that the accused then went on to hit the victim after his death with a sword. After this, the accused fled away from the spot in a black Mercedes. The prosecution has also alleged that the accused returned to the scene of the crime, and when he was confronted by a person at the scene, he slapped this person and dragged him in a moving car, causing injuries to this person's head and waist. The accused was arrested in connection with the crime 2 days after the incident and was rejected bail twice by the trial court, once in November of 2021 and then again in December of 2021. After the second refusal of bail by the trial court, the accused approached the Gujarat High Court with an application for bail. The Gujarat High Court granted the bail to the accused in February of 2022. The High Court also listed a number of reasons, which included a settlement reached by the accused and the son of the victim, who was the original complainant in the case. This settlement was confirmed before the High Court by an affidavit signed by the son of the victim. Then, an appeal was filed against this bail order in the Supreme Court by the person who confronted the accused at the scene of the crime and was slapped and injured by the accused thereafter. The bench, comprising Justices Hima Kohli and Justice Rajesh Bindal, was hearing the appeal. The court noted that even while on bail, the respondent was arrested again in connection with another FIR for charges that include extortion under Section 385 and voluntarily causing hurt under Section 323 of the Indian Penal Code. The court also pointed out that the respondent had spent merely 6 months in custody before being released on bail for a severe offence under Section 302 of the IPC. The court also considered that the respondent's involvement in 2 previous cases in 2021 and 2020. The court then raised questions about the appropriateness of allowing personal settlements in serious criminal cases like murder and the implications of granting bail based on an individual's lack of prior convictions for serious offences. The court writes in its order, and I quote, "Strangely enough, one of the considerations that has weighed with the learned single judge includes the fact that the respondent number 2 has filed a settlement arrived at with the original complainant and that the affidavit of the original complainant confirmed the said settlement. That too in respect of an offence under Section 302 of the IPC. The court also criticized the State of Gujarat for not challenging the bail granted to the accused and issued directions for the order to be forwarded to the Home Secretary of the State of Gujarat for appropriate action. The court writes in its order again, and I quote, "To our mind, this was a fit case where the respondent number 1, state, ought to have approached this court against the order of bail granted by the High Court in favor of the respondent number 2. But surprisingly, no steps were taken. A copy of this order shall be forwarded by the learned counsel for the respondent number 1, state, to the Secretary Home Government of Gujarat for his perusal and appropriate action." With these observations, the court quashed the order granting bail to the accused and directed him to promptly surrender before the trial court. What do you think of the Supreme Court's order? Please let us know in the comments below. If you found the video informative, please leave a like and tell us in the comments how we can shape our content to bring you your legal news in more engaging ways. Please also consider joining our channel as a member for only ₹89 per month. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.